Initially, we told you that Bajaj Finserv is up almost 4 to 5%. Why is that happening? Because the company is likely to buy out Allianz's stake in Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance as well as Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. We've got Varinder joining in with the details. Varinder, so decode the deal math as what one understands right now.
Two things to understand in this. First, the news. The reports in the papers are suggesting that Bajaj Group may buy Allianz stake in that Bajaj Life Insurance and General Insurance, and the deal could be nearly 10,000 crore. Now, important is to understand that even if the value is nearly 10,000 crore, the total value of life and general insurance put together has been talked about 40,000 to 45,000 crores. The market cap of this company is nearly 33,000 crores, so there is clearly an upside over those levels. The second thing is, if you study this, this call option between Allianz and Bajaj has been going since many years, and this was a sword which was hanging, and that is why Bajaj Finserv never got the valuation in line with the industry. And if this is removed and Bajaj finally goes out, we haven't confirmed independently, but if this happens going ahead and Bajaj finds, buys that remaining 24% stake, then this company will be clearly valued, with the industry parameters. Bajaj Finserv valuation is around, 1.5, 2 times compared to industry, which is over 2.5 times. So there's clearly a valuation gap. And after that Max and HDFC Life deal, the metrics in terms of price to embedded value has gone over 2.5 times. So there's clearly a room over there in terms of valuation catch up also. And you got to wait out for what management, definitely says on this, because this is not a done deal yet, but this will be good for Bajaj clearly going ahead.
Absolutely. Thanks, Varinder, for getting us that perspective. We, in fact, did catch up with the management to get their sense on whether they're actually looking at this buyout. Listen into what they say.
As far as the life insurance business is concerned, we've actually seen very little growth and even a fall in volume in the last 3 or 4 years as an industry and for ourselves as well. That is changing now, and the reason for the fall was the financial meltdown, the move for savings towards real assets like property and gold rather than financial instruments. But these things are reversing since last year. The industry started growing. We've seen a small amount of growth, and over the next year or two, I think for a 10 to 12%, if not a higher growth in the life insurance business is also very much possible.